Hello everyone, I am Shapan Das and welcome all of you to SD Gaps online e-learning platform for computer science. Now, in this video, I am going to introduce you with two courses offered by SD Gaps. Both of these two courses are of programming language course. One is C programming language course and other one is object oriented programming language with C++. Now, in both of these courses, we will cover all the concepts from very beginning to advanced level, and in these two courses, our main intention is to teach you how system will work whenever system gets an instruction. That means with respect to an instruction, how the system will behave. Our intention or our motto is to teach you that thing. And another thing that we want is whenever you use any particular instruction in any program, at that time you have to know why you are going to use that particular instruction and what happened if that particular instruction you did not use, you will not use. All those things we will teach in this particular programming language courses. And in both of these programming language, we will teach how you should think whenever you get a problem, a unseen problem, and what should be your approach to convert that particular problem into a digital solution. That means how you should approach a given problem, given unseen problem. How should you approach for a given unseen problem to convert it into a digital solution, to provide a digital solution. We want to teach you that thing, how you should approach a particular problem, and how you need to build logical thinking capability so that you can convert any particular real life problem into digital problem. That thing also we will teach you in these programming language classes. So both of these programming language classes will very helpful whoever wants to build their career in the field of computer science and engineering. Clear? So now coming to the support system, in this particular programming language courses also we provide support through WhatsApp as well as email. Along with these two systems, we also organize live doubt session to solve your queries. So that's it for my side for today. If you want to explore and watching this video from YouTube, you can visit through our website by using these particular links and explore the details, all the details related to these programming language courses. And if you want to register in the course, then also you can register for the course from our website itself. So that's it for today. See you soon in our next video. Thank you.